The light. Right here. Hold it still. You're not a very good helper.
Are you mad? She's definitely mad.
Yeah, I got it started straight.
Oh, yeah?
You can take a small bite. Just bite the corner like this. You see? Just bite it. Gentle.
Riding around the block with a Glock. Yo ass finna get shot. That's the silencer. That's the grenade launcher. I'm finna kill you.
Properties across Blackpool have been left without power this afternoon following a fire at a substation. Electricity Northwest says nearly all homes affected are now back on the grid. And Lancashire Police have been to clear up a little